Hi, I'm Adam from ramsac's IT operations team. I help look after ramsac's monitoring system. You're likely watching this video because you've received an email from Ramsac asking you to install our monitoring agent on your device. The monitoring agent is a tiny piece of software that we use to remotely connect on when you have a problem. We use it to manage your Windows updates and proactively resolve any issues your machines may be exhibiting. Before we get started, please be aware that the agent is intended to be installed on devices owned by your company. You also need access to a local admin account or have local admin privileges to be able to install our agent. If you're using a personal device or do not have local admin privileges, please respond to the email you received and advise us of the situation. To install the agent, please review the email you were sent and click on the agent download link that corresponds to your device. This will open a new window or tab in your internet browser and will download the agent from our server automatically. Once the file has downloaded, please open it. Once opened, you might receive a warning stating that Windows protected your PC. Please do not be alarmed. This message appears as Windows does not recognise our installer. This is common for this type of software due to how the file is created, and is not a threat to your PC or cybersecurity. To proceed past this message, you'll need to click on the More Info link, and then click on the Run Anyway button. After which, you will be presented with the installer window. Please just click on the Next button to navigate through the installer, and then click on the Install button. At this point, you will be asked if you want the app to be able to make changes to your device. Please just click Yes or fill in the window with a local admin account's details. If you've reached this point and do not have access to an account with local admin rights, please respond to the agent email to let us know. Once the agent is installed, please just click Finish. Thank you so much for your time and for assisting your organisation rolling out our agent. If you have any questions or concerns about the agent, please do not hesitate to respond to our email, and we will get back to you to make sure you have all the information you need and can address any issues you may have.